there today and stop transcripting. Okay, the recording is started and we are started. Hello everyone, I'm Anna and today we're here to talk about the new courses and the Rolling Scope School. And we start from the intro to Rolling Scope School. And the next slide, please. Intro to Rolling School. Check our scheduler for the first stage and to look deeper in the first week and assignment of this week. And talking about the Rolling Scope School, the Rolling Scope School, it's an international community of developers. And our main program, RS School, has provided free of charge courses for over 10 years. We offer wide range of courses, including front-end, React and Angular, Node.js, AWS, and so on. And what about our coordinators? This course managed by Muhammad Talaspaev, Anna Protasevich, and Andrei Shelingovsky. And I'm Anna, as I mentioned before. I'm a software engineer team leader in the EPAM with 8+ years of experience as a developer and a manager. And I'm looking past my microphone to Muhammad. He will tell you about our course a lot of interesting. Please be attention.
Let me unmute myself. Yeah, let's talk about our program. Firstly, a couple of words about myself. My name is Mohamed. I am a senior software engineer at the PAM company. And let's talk about our program. My cat just took me 1 second. This program includes 35 weeks duration with a strict deadline for our assignments. We have students from multiple countries. This means like all our students speak English, and also we'll provide mentors from different countries. I can say that this course based on like self-education, and if you have questions, we have a Discord channel where you can ask your questions. Like if you have really difficult question, we have a Q&A session on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, at 5 p.m. Where you can ask your question. Yeah, and we will share the link for this Q&A after this session. During this course, you will be familiar with HTML, CSS, also like JavaScript, TypeScript, configure Webpack, agile methodology as a Scrum, and how write test using design patterns of JavaScript. Let's go next. Yeah, main thing, like what is benefits of RS School. I can say that course totally free. Yeah, and from students we just get their time, and like we require only time from students and dedication. We expect that you will spend at least 20 hours to
To
complete
complete
our.
our
Sorry, I can hear myself, please. Yeah.
Sorry for
Anna, you are muted.
sorry, but your microphone are muted.
perhaps I mute myself. And
Okay,
one more
I hear.
time, please mute your microphones. If you have any question, please leave it in the chat. Do not forget this question, and we will answer for everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, as I mentioned, like we expect that you will spend at least 20 hours a week to complete our assignments, our tasks, and all material publicly available on our YouTube channel, also at GitHub. And if you successfully passed first stage, you will get personal mentor on second stage. Like name of our course like Rolling Scope School, but it's not like a school as you base to perceiving. It means like we don't have a teachers. We just provide conditional for your learning and like providing really in demand knowledges for our students, and it's depends on student. Yeah. Let's let's go to the next slide. What is the end? Yeah. At the end of this course, I can say that you will be front end, like junior front end developer, like not an engineer, because we don't guarantee that you can you will be employed. I mean, like we just provide knowledge of, as I mentioned, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's not enough to be a junior software engineer in 2023. Yeah, and you will be ready to switch to go to the third stage for learning framework. Yeah, and also here described like we will provide digital certification of your completion this course. I guess interesting part of this presentation is spells rules. Yeah, like student will be expelled from our course if he failed any two tasks during this course and got less than 60% of maximum score. And here mentions that the students who eligible in Russian should move to the Russian course, because people who speak English don't have such opportunity. Yeah, and we have a few mentors in English. I guess we don't have enough mentors to cover all of the students in this course, uh, and we prioritize students who speaks only in English. And if you're eligible in Russian, please join the course which started yesterday in parallel in Russian. Yeah, and also student will be expelled if he's breaking our code of conduct. And main thing is sharing solution or cheating. You will be dismissed. Go to the next. I guess main principle of our school is pay the forward. We expect that when you successfully completed our course, you will come back as a mentor and will share your knowledge with a new generation of students. Yeah, it's our main principle. Let's here describe the main links for this course. Let's start from the top. I will open it. Yeah, first links, it's about this course in details. Like if you're interested, you can read it. Second link, it's for our GitHub. As you can see here, describe overview of our course, topics which will be covered during this course, and the training program. It's our roadmap which we use during this course. As you can see, today's date, like November, and we have a list of links like materials which you need to check out, and also weekly assignments like test test and test fundamental of the internet. And now you have a question where I should pass it. We will use that link. It's welcome to our school. Here you need just to register for these courses. Select by default, select this course, your languages, personal info. Please fill your current location where you're based, and link and personal email. Then like you will see our tools like RS school tools. Here schedule available task and models as the same as described here. You have an option to see in our RS app. Yeah, it's I guess you you need to firstly read all the materials to complete our RS app test. And if I'm not mistaken, last the score, the last link, it's to join expired. Maybe we will give new link for our Discord channel. Yeah, you will join for our school in channel where we have a how to say corresponding chat like announcements, general talk, self introduction, etc. Please join. For this week we have only like introductional assignments. Yeah, and let's switch to our Q&A part. Guess I can stop sharing. Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of questions. Some of them I have answered. but let me go through for them. Can I finish this course much faster than 35 weeks? No, it's impossible due to all stage, all week, all models will be ended by some assignment, and this assignment has strict deadline. So it's impossible to pass this course before the real end. The issue
And
with yep.
yeah, I can also add like we have a cross check, and it's impossible to finish earlier because your task should be checked by another student, or you will be alone.
Yeah, and the final task will be a task in a team. So without this task, you can't end the course. Unfortunately, yep. What is the duration of Q&A session on Tuesday? It fully depends on amount of questions. It might be 10 minutes or 1 hour. I don't know. It's absolutely depend. Um, how much will we go into Node.js and TypeScript? We just look at Node.js very briefly, and TypeScript you will learn, I guess, deep enough. You will write I guess, big enough task in the TypeScript or using TypeScript. Does this 35 weeks include the stage 3? No. Oh, includes the stage 3 about framework. Now it's only about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Stage 3, it's a separate course, and you will join it after completion this one. How many students average were in previous English courses like this? At the beginning, it was a lot of people, but I guess 150 something around of these were past our interview to stage 2 and learning and stage 2. Okay, the next. I speak both languages. In this case, I would ask you to join the Russian language course. This course have much more mentors. So in this one, we will prefer to give a mentor to people who don't speak Russian to be, I guess it will be fair for these people, and we should give them a chance to get the knowledge and pass in the course. Next, fail to task. What is called fail in this instance? Student was unable to complete task or something else. I mean, you didn't complete this task on time. For instance, you missed a cross check, so you will give a 0 for the task, and you copy paste this task from other student and so on. And do you have some specific of contact or just a general one? We have the general one for Russian and English courses. And just to clarify, we have two close programs, and we decide to start our courses in one day, approximately one day, and these courses very similar, so you don't miss anything if you choose Russian one or English one in case you don't speak Russian. And go further. If I speak Russian, but I live in another country, should I move to Russian language course? It doesn't matter where is you living or what country are you from. It's only about knowledge of Russian language and possibility to get information in Russian or only in English. Okay. Could I go to Russian course even if I'm from Uzbekistan? As I mentioned before, it doesn't matter what country are you from. Which course should student from Georgia one? As I mentioned previously, it absolutely don't matter where you from. It's only about understanding Russian and English language. We will we get the slide for the access of the link? Sure, I will share you the presentation after this intro webinar, and also I will share all links in the Discord. Will there be a record of meeting? Sure, all meeting, all QA session will be recorded. Where is link to Russian language courses? Guys, I would be appreciated if someone shared the link. I don't have it now, but I may share it a bit later. It doesn't matter. I live in Ukrainian. Why I don't speak Russian? Can I stay proceed this course? Yes. If you don't speak Russian, please be with us. I'm Ukrainian, but I found it easier to study in English. Am I anyway obligated to move to Russian course? Guys, it's not easy to start there, so we have two some similar programs. We have the same task, very close materials, and so on. So, thinking about what courses is easier, it's I guess not a right way to choose the courses. Can I be a student on both of the courses since I am fluent in English as well as the Russian? Not, please choose only one option. Is it possible to learn materials here, but if I lack of English speaking mentors, having a mentor in the Russian language? I mean, not to switch to Russian speaking course. It seems for me as a cheating, so please choose only one course. If person is unable to join QA because of their work hours, will it count as a failure of the course? Also, will the Q&A session will be recorded for the students that are unable to join them live? Q&A session is not mandatory to join. It's only if you have a question or you're interested in what question ask us. But yep, every meeting will be recorded and public and will be available on our YouTube channel. So the main choosing point is not a location because I'm based in Germany now, but originally from Russia. But what my native language is. I don't know what your native language is. According to the description, I guess it's Russian. But if you can fluent speak Russian, please choose Russian courses. But it's up to you. As we mentioned before several times, in a stage when we will provide the mentors, the priority will be on a student who don't speak Russian. Would you give a link to the presentation? Sure, we do it, but a bit later, or I mean after end of this webinar. And let me And yesterday, the mentor announced that no one would be kicked off of the RU course. What about you guys? I guess in case you will miss several tasks or break the code of conduct, I will expel students. So I'm sorry, but it's reality. Why I can see curves on Rise Up? Because you didn't register to it. I don't know. It's kind of an option. How can I register for the course in Russian that started yesterday? You can find the link in the official site of Rollenscope School. How does the mentoring program work? What will be our obligation if we finish the course? As we mentioned, we create a condition that you will gain the knowledge and grow up as a developer. Some mentor will help you by advising some materials, checking your code, and so on. At the end of this course, you will get knowledge, practical knowledge, practical experience, I mean, and the certificate about passing the course. Certificate of completion of the Russian speaking course is the same like certificate of the English speaking course. Yes, guys, it's absolutely the same courses, but the English one for people who don't speak Russian. But the materials, task is absolutely the same, and I hope it doesn't matter what course you choose. Are there any other difference between English and true courses except language? No, there are no difference. No, except of language. Will we get a job offer from EPAM by the end of course of the courses? We can't talking about job offer because after end of these courses you will know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript. It's not enough to apply for a CV, so you should learn any framework. It might be React or Angular. You should learn Node.js or AWS to be modern junior developer for our market, I guess. Could you send a link to a Russian language course, please? Yes, we do, but a bit later. Which IDE we will be using, it's up to you, and you will learn information about IDE in the modules. I'm from Poland and I have a Polish citizen. Can I involve in both of courses in raw and English? It doesn't matter what country are you from. It's only about knowledge of language, and please choose only one courses. Mohammed, could you proceed? I need to drink.
Yeah, sure. I'm answering with texting messages.
Okay, I'm back. I'm proceed. Sorry. And how many weeks is the whole program? Between 30 and 35. Pay attention. We might change some modules and deadlines, but let's get it would be around 35 weeks. Anyone who wants to start from the beginning should attend stage 0 and after completion of stage 1. Is it possible to get a job or it's required to attend more stages? It's required at least 3 stages: 0, 1, 2, and 3 at least. So stage 1 or stage 0, it's absolutely not enough. I sign up for these 2 courses, JavaScript and if you can throw me out of the first of because I only want to participate in English. If you want to leave this course, you should go in your RS app profile, and here you will find the button leave the course, if I'm not mistaken, and you will can do it by yourself. It's mandatory to have Windows OS. So will I have problem with Linux? I don't think so. I will require basic knowledge of all this coverage of this stage. It would be nice if you will know at least something, but if you have some knowledge, it will help you, of course. Can I join course of stage 3 if I already know HTML, CSS, JS? Let's try. So I should move to Russian course. Yes, if you may speak Russian. It's not giving me the option of this course on upper school. It's only give me the option of my archived courses. Seems you didn't register to course. If I take a course in Russian, will I get certificate in Russian? No, all certificates in English only. Guys, I would be appreciated if you will use only English in chat there or in chat in Discord. Thank you. In Russian course is the same rules about 30%. If I'm not mistaken, yes. If I don't speak Russian, what to do? Stay with us. Do you help successful student to find a job or prepare tech interview? Guys, one more time, this course is not enough to pass an interview in any company. So please, we stop talking about job offer after this course. So we don't promise any offer or something else. We only promise you knowledge, practical knowledge, and digital certificate at the end of this course. I mean, maybe move to lesson 2 p.m. general in the evening. Guys, we have strict time for our Q&A session. It depends on time of coordinators. Currently, all of us are full-time employee, and we don't change the time according to request. Sorry, but we found the most appropriate time for coordinators, for mentors. So we will share the recording, and you will see it and any applicable for you time. Can you send the link to YouTube channel? Yes, I will do in Discord at the end of this webinar. Hello, where we have to submit our solution to challenges. If you look at the first week, you will have the model related to REST school application, and here you will find answer on this question. So I prefer to keep in a secret this answer. What's the next step of this course? The next step is frameworks. It's correct. The link for root does not give me an opportunity to register for the Russian because the deadline was 5 of November. What to do? I will ask the admin of this course and answer in the Discord, or please reach me in the Discord in private message. Which IDE will be using? I have answered. I'm not able to register on the REST school page. The location field does not drop down in order to choose the city. I would ask to clean the browser cache and reload the page one more time, since it's a local issue. What is our first task and where we do that? In the REST app, in the scheduler, you will find the assignment for each week and material that you should learn. Could you please repeat the reply? I couldn't get it, sorry. Yesterday, the mentor announced that no one would be kicked out of their course. What about these courses? Uh, Here we will expel the student who missed several tasks or assignment or break, broke the rules, code of conduct, and so on. So we will kick. Sorry. Where can I find the GitHub link? I don't know what about link are you talking. Sorry. She said she would kick people who failed to task. Yes, I said it. How to switch to Russian course. I tried to enroll to Russian course, but I was redirected to yesterday webinar. I haven't received any email of enrollment and do not have access to platform. I will ask about this question admin of RU courses and will share his answer in the Discord. We will have a chance to choose framework, React and Angular. Yes, it will be two separate courses and you will choose what you like more. Yesterday, mentoring Russian language courses announced that all people living outside Russian-speaking countries should go to English course. Now, you're telling that if a student speaks Russian, they must go to the course. So, if I'm Belarusian but I live in Poland, do I leave the courses and course? Guys, one more time, we are talking not about the place you are living. We are talking about a fair condition for students who know and don't know Russian. And I would like to give possibility to people who can't learn and teach on Russian to get knowledge. And if they can do it only in English, please let it be fair to them to give this chance. But if you are living in Poland or some kind of outside of Russian speaking countries and you really want to learn here, okay, but in case we will have not enough mentors, I don't know the priority of a student. So I prefer to be fair and honest to you at the end of this course to give you a possibility to make a good choice. Could you change the lesson time to the evening? No, unfortunately, sorry. Can we start? I guess it's about learning and yep. Um, so you can we create in Discord one more item of channel that we have a mission of English practice that can be related with jazz courses? I'm not sure that I understand this question. Sorry, guys. Could you please rephrase or I don't know. How long will take this course? 30 to 35 weeks. Can we create a new chat in Discord or some other messenger for all people from UVN? Sorry, I don't know what country about you're talking, but you can create your separate channel in Discord and Telegram or other messengers, and please talk there. But Discord, it's about school, it's about the question related to education. I guess it's okay for you. How can I switch to stage 2? After you successfully finish stage 1 and pass interview with the mentor, you will join the stage 2. Actually, what are the requirements for a junior front-end developer at the moment? As you mentioned, just knowing JS and TS is not enough. It's not just required for backend development. I don't know related to backend development, but currently the requirement for junior developer is JS, TS, basic Node.js, and frameworks. Any frameworks up to you. Can we get ticket to Brussels? Oh, I guess it's a joke, but I don't understand. What about are you talking? Is it possible to get first week as a junior programmer in 35 weeks by self-education? To get first work as a junior. Not No, it's not possible due to lack of knowledge of frameworks and basics of Node.js. Are you going to learn algorithms and data structures with JS in this course? Yes. It's will not a separate model, but this knowledge will be included in the several tasks. If I want to improve my English, now I have B2 C1, can I stay at this course? I also want to improve my English, but I prefer to use special courses, not the course about the development. So let's consider this course and only as a development courses, not language courses. Will lectures be every day? Guys, there is no lectures, only self-studying. Can I start from stage 3 if I already know HTML? Yep, you can. What is the duration of framework courses? Currently, I don't know the answer. It's approximately 10, 15 weeks, but it might be changeable. Are you going to learn algorithm? It was before. If I came to courses from Armenian EPAM, I will take an offer from EPAM and then. Guys, it doesn't matter where you're from. We don't know about offers and we are not promise you any offers after end of this course. Is this text for beginner friendly? I hope yes. Here you can find info about enrollment when courses have started. Here you can. Seems like a question, but I don't understand what exactly. I guess it's about question about a REST application, REST site. I hope someone shared the link with you. How long is stage 3 planned to last? I hope I have answered above. Have you? It's Mohammed. Can I join stage 2 only after passing stage 1? Okay. It's a discussion. Who will be mentors to the Q&A session? At the first stage, the Q&A session will be conducted by coordinators. But don't worry, we are front-end developers with the experience and would be able to answer your questions. Seems additional request is needed. Right now, it's impossible to be enrolled to courses. We'll answer a little bit later. Where we can find links on material about the courses. Channel Discord a bit later in the Discord. Thank you. Sorry, where will be the materials? In schedule, I can see some tests and lectures about is where we should start. You should start from educational materials modules, and only after that you should pass the tests. I can create in Discord as I can't create in Discord as an option. Don't know what about. Isn't this course too long? Aren't so 2 weeks too long? Depend on you. Do we have lectures every day? No, you will have no lectures at all. What should I eat today? I like sense of humor, but I prefer to see the question related to intro webinar. Sorry. Start. It's answering. Where is the roadmap? Are you sharing the screen? No, I'm not. If you live in Dubai and plan to look for a job here and don't want to switch to Russian language course, will I not be expelled? Please stay there, but so we can join JavaScript courses if we know HTML, CSS, and basic knowledge about JS. I'm not sure what exactly are you talking about, but I guess you can join any courses if you want. Can you say again, what is the roadmap for this week? I cannot find that. Okay, one more time, 1 minute, please. Oh, okay. I have shared the link of roadmap of our courses, our course. Mohammed did the same. Can you say again? I will. I have answered. Could you share Discord link? Yeah, I can. Perhaps. It's shared already. Okay. To Discord, it was shared above. Why you don't use YouTube for Q&A session? It will be more good. I know that it's more good, but it's need more time and more resources that I have now. And so we prefer to use Teams.
After that, this recording will be uploaded on the YouTube channel. So.
Exactly. At the end, you will read the video in the YouTube. Did I understand correct that first I read roadmap, then go to the RESAP school in the scheduler and take a test? Basically, yes. You should first of all learn all educational materials related to any themes, and only after that you should pass the test or or create your own code or take practical task. It doesn't matter. If there are any tests before during stage 3, frankly speaking, I don't the answer due to we update program each run, so I have no what will be requirement for stage 3 when it will be launch. I mean, can we miss the part of HTML, CSS, and only when will be started JS? Not. Unfortunately, you can do it. We have the same rules for each student. You have sent the information about the course, but where is the link to fill the registration form? Do registration form. What registration form do you mean? Do we have to solve this test for this week about fundamentals of the internet at other? Yeah, this test is assignment for current week. And the course included webinars. How many of them are you going to conduct during the first day? Thank you. Each Tuesday. Thank you for very much. I appreciate it that you answer every question clearly and with passion. Have you got answer to my question? Yeah, welcome. The registration form where we have to fill in the info about our location and so on. It's not registration form, it's information in the your RS app profile. Thank you. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? If you want, you can unmute and ask using your voice, or you can write the question in the chat.
Hello, can I ask some?
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Hello, my name is Tato, and I have a question about tasks. What will be task for time, and it will be about JavaScript or some about my skills, or what's the task will be?
Task will be about task will be about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript. It's a possibility to apply your theoretical knowledge to practice. So in case you learn, for instance, HTML this week, so the task will be related to HTML. In case you will start learning JavaScript, let's say you will learn something about numbers. So that means this week you will get the assignment to improve and apply this knowledge to practice. Is it clear?
Okay. And should I use vanilla JavaScript or can I use any framework? I mean, like TypeScript or something like this.
Depend on a task. Basically, we add information in the task what you made to use. Basically, you shouldn't use any framework, only core JavaScript or vanilla JS and all.
And how long time we would have for these tasks?
You can get the clear answer looking our schedule. The link you can find in the chat.
Oh, okay. Thank you for answer.
Thank you. Oh, we have new questions. I'm really sorry, and I do apologize from everyone. I can't believe that there are some guests that are talking IT courses and asking dumb question. Guys, it's not a dumb question. If you're interested in an answer, please ask. I guess there are no dumb questions at all. So please don't hesitate to ask if you don't understand something and if you know any clarification. And I would be so appreciated if you will help each other and help each other to find the answer or answer any questions. So you will help to each other to grow. How to survive in your courses? I don't know. answer, but just information, each coordinators are have passed these courses in our past. So it's possible. Only EPAM's workers can join this course. No, it's course for everyone. We are not talking about any company at all. How many mentors do you have on this course? Depend on the amount of student that we will have at the end of stage 1. So I don't know for now the answer on this question. Sorry, but what is EPAM email? I don't know what email I.
Maybe it's some confusing, like when they trying to fill the profile, they see the EPAM email in the RESAP profile.
Yeah, in this case, if you not any primers, please skip this field. Please share link of task one more time. I prefer to ask you to join RS app, then go to the scheduler, and here you will find all links. So it would be more useful for you due to you will use this functionality every week. Enough. It's only for will this discussion be posted on YouTube? Yes, it will. How many mentors? Because in Russian courses there are 2,000 and there are 700. It's absolutely depends on amount of student. Where can I find mentor if I stuck? Or if I need to ask them a question, you will get mentor contacts only on stage 2. How to join to Russian courses? Mohammed want to smile, but he's holding it up. Yeah, he's very serious person. Is it the course linked for the stage 1? I hope. For the task 1 seems yes. Can we start several courses HTML simultaneously? It's absolutely up to you. But in RS school, you should choose only one. Can we see the cat again? You can ask Mohammed to make a photo and share with you. I mean, the photo of his cat. If I want to work in a PAM, but my knowledge is enough only for Yandex, this course helped me to improve my skills for working in a PAM. I don't know the requirement of market at the end of all necessary stage, so I can't answer this question and be frankly with you. So I don't know, guys. We try to do our best to give you the most practice knowledge as we can, but everything depends on the market requirements. He's can we learn this course and he will overtake us? Cat will learn this course. I don't know. Perhaps this cat will be a middle developer at the end of this course. What time are scheduled the modules? Where can I see the timetable?
In RS app.
In the RS app, you can see scheduler. You can see the starting time and date and the deadline. I guess it helps you to understand how to manage your time. Registration is closed. Okay. Seems the question is over, as well as our time. Let's wait for a minute. If you have question, please post it. When will be the next lesson? There is no lesson. Q&A session will be next Tuesday. People who speak Russian and live in non-Russian speaking countries are not needed to the Russian course based on what the mentor said yesterday. And today they say that we are not needed there either. Guys, I don't know what to say, but if you want to, if you are living in some countries outside of Russian languages countries, you may be there, but frankly speaking, we will add priority to people who can't speak Russian at all. I guess it will be fair for them. There is link for registration for run courses on Discord channel. What should we do now? Start learning based on scheduler. Thank you. Invitation, please, to that channel. Jump. Yes, jump. Why not? Okay, I understand that it's just a joke, but you start learning according to scheduler that you have. Where can we find the link for Discord channel? It was posted above. Even if they have fewer points? No, it's not in case they have low points. It's only in case if some student has the same rating and we have only one mentor for 2 students. Should I have to be in the Discord? Yes, you should. But I'm not say to should, but it would be nice for you to be in the Discord.
Because
Where,
all of announcement will be in a Discord channel.
yeah, it's a
Because you
main
can miss
messenger.
something.
Where can I find a link to res up? Several messages above. How to complete a test task at stage 1. After you read intro to a res up module, you will find the answer on this question. Where is the scheduler in the res application? So the main thing is we get assumption and we complete them. No lecture, just Q&A at the end of the week. Yes, you're right. It's a completed task. When should we start task 1? After you read all necessary information. Thank you for information. Nice to see you guys. Thank you. Does the scheduler provide the links to the YouTube classes? We have no YouTube classes, but the YouTube channel with a video of Q&A session and intro webinar, yes, we have. So I'm here in the resub. So where can I find materials or materials in the GitHub only? Please click on the scheduler And you will surprise that you will find all necessary information. Thank you. I gotta go. Thank you for the introduction. Thank you, Tim. Yes.
I guess we can finish.
Yeah, I get the main question were answered. I'm sorry if I missed some question, but you will copy paste or duplicate this message, your question and so on in the Discord channel. Please do not about the conduct, about the language of communication. I mean, it's only English without your local language. In case you will proceed, write question or communicate in your local language, I will do the same. Okay, it's a joke, by the way. So see you in Discord in order to question, and see you next week in the Q&A session. And thank you guys for joining us, and I hope this course will be useful for you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.